Inside today's video, I'm going to show you how to make money on YouTube without making videos. Inside this completely beginner-friendly YouTube strategy, I'm going to show you how to find videos to upload onto YouTube, how to set everything up quickly so you don't have to wait days or weeks or months to start seeing income coming in. And I'm going to show you how to do this without ever having to show your face. So stay tuned for all of this inside of today's video. The strategy that we're using inside of today's video is we're going to be finding different kinds of videos on YouTube and TikTok, taking those videos and then re-uploading them onto YouTube to create YouTube Shorts. After we do that, we're going to get tons of traffic to our YouTube channels and we're going to get lots of followers. So then we can take those followers and start promoting to them via the community tab. So we're going to be making posts inside of the community tab, promoting an affiliate marketing product to our audience, and that is how we're going to be making money with this YouTube strategy, and you never have to show your face inside of this method. I've been testing this method, and so far in just under a week, I have seen a little over $260 come into my account just by using this simple strategy that I'm about to show you inside this video. We're going to be using the same exact strategy that 𝗕𝗢𝗢𝗢𝗦𝗧 is using to make thousands of dollars with affiliate marketing on YouTube. And we're going to be doing this by taking clips of a guy named Andrew Tate and then re-uploading them onto YouTube in order to make affiliate commissions via the community tab. As you can see here, 𝗕𝗢𝗢𝗢𝗦𝗧 actually released videos almost every single hour of Andrew Tate doing different things. And if you go over to the community tab on this specific YouTube channel, you see that they are promoting Husters University every single day via a community post. And all they do is they just post screenshots from inside of Husters University, and then they put their affiliate link right here inside of the community post. That's why this method is extremely simple and anybody can do this, especially if you're a beginner to creating YouTube videos. If you look around on YouTube, you'll see that there's so many accounts using this method. It's not just 𝗕𝗢𝗢𝗢𝗢𝗢𝗢𝗢𝗢, but there's so many accounts popping up every single day because this method does work and people are finding success reposting these videos on YouTube. So the first step inside of this method is actually to join Husters University so you can get your affiliate link and start promoting videos on YouTube. And if you guys check out the description down below this video, you'll see a link to this page, and this is actually my page for Husters University. And if you scroll down here, you'll actually see that I'm actually giving away bonus courses to whoever joins Husters University because I believe in this method and I want you guys to succeed with posting videos on YouTube without even having to create the content. So you'll see that I'm offering 3 free courses that you get if you decide to join the Husters University Discord. And all of these courses are created by me, and each one of them is hours of content. So this one right here has 25 step-by-step videos. If you scroll down here, this one has over 6 hours of content teaching print on demand. And then the last one has over 5 hours of content teaching you how to do affiliate marketing on Twitter. So all of these courses are absolutely free, and it's because I believe in this method and I want you guys to succeed, especially if you are a beginner to making money online. So once you check out the description and you become a member of Husters University, then it is now time to get your Husters University affiliate link. In order to get your affiliate link for Husters University so that this method can work, what you have to do is just message the HU2 account manager inside of the Discord. Just send them over !affiliate, and you should get your affiliate link as well as your affiliate dashboard and a couple of different landing pages that you can use to promote Husters University. Once you have your affiliate link, I highly recommend going over to bit.ly and creating a bit.ly link to track your amount of clicks on your affiliate link. And this is going to allow you to have some information about how many people are clicking on this link from your community tab inside of YouTube. So go ahead and just click on the create button and then paste in whatever your affiliate link looks like, and then just hit create at the bottom, and then you will have a bit.ly link to track the amount of clicks on your affiliate link. I highly recommend doing this because it will allow you to see how many people are clicking as opposed to how many people are actually purchasing via your affiliate link. Now that you're inside of Husters University and you have your affiliate link and your affiliate dashboard, now it is time to actually create content on YouTube. And we're going to be doing this without actually making the videos ourselves and without ever having to show our face. So how do you actually find these type of videos to post onto YouTube? Well, in order to do that, what you need to do is go over to other platforms and then find videos on those platforms to then repurpose on YouTube. There are 4 different places that I recommend that you use in order to find videos to re-upload onto YouTube, and that's Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and something called the Tate Library, which is inside of the affiliate section of Husters University. This is going to be 4 amazing places for you guys to find content, and there's endless amounts of interviews and clips that you can use in order to re-upload them onto YouTube. So first, let me just go ahead and show you Instagram and TikTok, because those are going to be 2 of the best places to find clips. Now I went over to Instagram and I typed in Husters University, and I found this account right here called Husters University 2.0. You'll see that they have over 31,000 followers on Instagram, and they post a ton of different reels on their page. As you can see here, each one of them gets tons of views. This one got 33,000, this one got 25,000, 14,000, 20,000, 18,000, so many different views on these videos. And what you can actually do is just download these videos and then re-upload them to YouTube and create an established community on YouTube, so you could start promoting that affiliate link on the community tab. Now if we go to TikTok, we can actually find even more videos to re-upload to YouTube. So what you have to do is just type in Andrew Tate onto TikTok and then search for that, and then we want to go to videos and we want to find some that have tons of different views. So this one right here got 7.7 million views. So let's just open this up. As you can see, this account has over 14,000 followers and 1.1 million likes, and you can see that they get quite a few views. This one had 107,000, this one had 9,000 on all of their different videos. So what you can actually do is just click on one. So let's go to this one because it had quite a lot of views. We'll just pause that video, copy the link, and then we can actually download this video without the watermark. You can go to a website called Snaptic and just paste in your link and then click on the download button, and you can easily download the videos in even full HD quality. So you get the videos without the watermark and high definition, so you can use those to repurpose them onto YouTube. Now I highly recommend creating your own content when it comes to YouTube. So what we're gonna do is just create a simple video inside of Canva.com. So go ahead and just type into Canva YouTube Shorts, and then we want to click on the YouTube Shorts template. Now just bypass all these different templates and click on the blank YouTube Shorts template. Now that we're inside here, we can actually just drag and drop those videos that we downloaded from TikTok onto this Canva document and then create a new video for YouTube. So let me go over to my upload section. So I'm gonna go ahead and drag over this clip for our YouTube Shorts. And what I'm gonna do is actually resize this video so that it fits inside of the YouTube Shorts template. So just drag it and enlarge this so that Andrew Tate is showing inside of this template. So right about there, and then we can drag this down a little bit more, and then we can scroll over so that it fits perfectly right like that. And now we can just add either some subtitles or we could add some images to make this more of our own video. So we can see here in the beginning of this clip, he actually says the word cash flow.
But in reality, man, a lot of it's just about cash flow.
So when he says that, we can actually just have a dollar bill just pop up inside of this video. So if you go over to Elements, then you can just search for a dollar, and then we want just a dollar bill like this one. We could drag it on over and we could just have it pop up into the clip. Now all we have to do is just drag and drop this over to the clip, and as you can see, I added it to the video right when he said cash flow, so this is what it looks like.
A lot of it's just about cash flow.
So that way we're making our own version of these clips so that it becomes our own content that we can re-upload onto YouTube. Now when it comes to actually promoting to the followers that we get from these YouTube Shorts videos, I recommend that you do it inside of the community tab, and all you have to do is just take a screenshot of a testimonial from the Discord inside of Husters University and then just create some kind of call to action. So let me show you how to do that. All you have to do is just head over to the HU2 win section inside of the Discord and then just take a screenshot of one of these testimonials. So I'll just open up this one here, and then I will take a screenshot on my computer, and there we have it. We have all of the content that we need to post on the community tab. So as you can see, this method is extremely simple to make money on YouTube without actually making videos. We're basically just taking clips of interviews with Andrew Tate and then repurposing them onto YouTube. So if you want to get started, I highly recommend checking out the video description down below, joining Husters University, getting access to those 3 free bonus courses, and then start your affiliate marketing journey on YouTube, making these simple short videos. Once you have your affiliate link and you have a couple of places to actually find content to post onto YouTube, then you're all ready to go. And all you have to do is just post content multiple times a day. I would recommend 1 to 3 shorts per day, and then watch your channel grow as you start posting posts inside of the community tab. So jump on this method today, because I have no idea how long this method is going to last. And if you want to see more content from me, go ahead and check out the videos that are popping up on the screen now. My name's David, and I create content all about affiliate marketing, how to make money online, and different kinds of side hustles. So if you're into that kind of stuff, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and keep an eye out for when I release my next video, and I will see you guys next time.